Mo.
Hi, my name is Jonna Jónaborg Sigurðardóttir.
Wow.
Welcome back to the channel! Today I will be starting my trip in Þórshöfn, a tiny village in the northeast of Iceland where nature is pure and animals are plenty. And then I'll jump onto the same 50 years old airplane from the last episode and make my way back to Akureyri, the capital of North Iceland.
Look at this guy.
To meet the creator of the Trash Monsters.
Have an exhibition in the art museum.
I totally loved it. If that sounds good, then come along!
I really feel like I'm at the end of the world here. It's so quiet. Apart from a town with a few hundred people there, there's absolutely nothing here. It's beautiful though, quiet, peaceful. Really, really liking it. We're now here in Þórshöfn. This is a tiny little airport here. This must be competing for smallest airport in the world or something. It's just in the middle of nature here. Absolutely nothing around apart from a tiny little village with a few hundred people. And all the rest here is nature.
And just like that, I arrived back in known territory. Akureyri, the capital of North Iceland. Oh, hey! In my last video, I coincidentally came across some funny looking litter bins here in Akureyri.
Yeah, it's a litter bin.
I had no idea what they were and what they were doing here. But I have been doing my research, I have been asking around a little bit, and I got in touch with the creator of them. She's a local artist, her name is Jonna, and I came back to Akureyri today to meet her, and I'm super excited.
Hi, my name is Jonna Jónaborg Sigurðardóttir and I'm artist from Akureyri. I make a lot of art of trash. This is Röskrými. We are some art group for women. We are all artists, but some of us are teacher or one of us is studying masters, and so we are just here when we is here. This is ice, molting ice. I was working with global warming. I use trash from other people like this. Some people give me the rest of the yarn, so I use it in my work. There was a 82 years old ladies who called me and asked me, I've saved all my socks in many years. Can you use it? And I say, yes, thank you. This is waterfall. This is tsunami.
Okay.
This is all about the global warming. This is my old clothes. I make this for the exhibition in the art museum, and that was 30 years birthday, and the year ring is 30, and was my favorite jeans.
Jonna is so passionate about her work, and she was happy to show me around her studio in downtown Akureyri. One of the pieces that made the greatest impression on me is this one, the phoenix.
I made him from all kinds of jewelry and button and whatever I found. One friend gave me 18-karat gold. Wow. And I say, why do you give me this? And she say, I don't want to have it. It was so boring boyfriend who gave me that.
But what Jonna is most famous for are the trash monsters.
Once you see them, you see them everywhere.
She has been creating them for the streets of Akureyri for 4 years now. They are meant to be a fun way to teach children to throw the trash in the bin.
And now I cannot stop because people say, it have to be next summer also. And I say, oh, I have to do something new. Do new monsters. Or 1 year two was stolen.
Stolen?
Yes. Some people want to have it.
Yeah, they're very popular.
Yeah.
Jonna has an exhibition at the Art Museum of Akureyri. And you can also find her on Facebook. I added her details in the description below.
I have a Facebook. Name is Jonna Myndlist Art.
It was so nice to meet Jonna in person. She's so passionate and so creative. It was really amazing. Creativity in Iceland is a thing, like it's everywhere. You see it everywhere, literally. And just when you think it can't get more beautiful than this, these guys come out. Good morning from a chilly Akureyri. It's really early and I need a coffee.
So I had to Berlin. Bistro Berlin it is, in Akureyri. They offer a breakfast, brunch and lunch menu. I ordered an avocado toast with fruit and a coffee of course, which were all excellent. In a cozy setting right on the central square.
Oh, look at this guy. They're everywhere, literally.
And that's how things come to an end in Akureyri.
All Alright, all good things come to an end, I'm afraid. I'm now in Keflavík. I made my way here to the area around the international airport of Iceland, and my trip ends here. It's been phenomenal though, and I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me.